Do you dream of becoming a data analyst? Are you ready to build a successful career working with top companies here in Nigeria and abroad as a data analyst?
If mastering in-demand data skill is your goal, then this is your chance. The BizMaro 2025 Scholarship in Data Analysis and Visualization is officially open for registration.
What will you learn in this transformative program? Let us break it down for you.
Now here is what you will master. Introduction to data analysis, beginners and advanced Excel, data analysis using Excel, data visualization using Microsoft Power BI, and infographics that tells data stories.
Interesting, right? Here's another thing you will love about the scholarship training on data analysis.
We've got flexible options just for you. Do you prefer in-person classes? Done. We have physical classes. Want to learn online? That is not a problem. You can join our hands-on online training classes. Now, what about when you miss a class? Don't worry. Recorded videos are available anytime.
You can learn from anywhere and gain skills that will transform your career and your life. For the past 13 years, BizMaro Technologies has been equipping people like you with high-demand digital skills that land them high-paying jobs, help them to start a business or launch a side hustle.
This scholarship is your chance to experience practical hands-on training. No boring lectures, just real skills that employers cannot resist.
And don't just take our word for it. Listen to our past students.
My name is Gideon Adejo. Awesome. I've learned a lot in the past 4 weeks. I've been exposed to a lot more in Excel and Power BI and Canva. It's been a great experience and I look forward to having another session with BizMaro Technologies.
Okay, my name is Aisha Blazis. It has been a great experience. I love the fact that the class is an interactive class, which made me want to apply for more. Maybe I'll come for my data science here.
My name is Joy Iseme. I'm wonderful. It has been fantastic and it has been enlightening, actually.
Okay, my name is Ashim. So very fantastic. I enjoy it because the value that I've gotten is more than enough. In fact, after attending the class, if I was told, or if I'm told not to pay 200,000, 300,000 to get the same stuff, I think I'm doing a lot of quality. To be a very important experience.
Are you ready to start your journey to becoming a data analyst and securing your future in 2025?
Don't wait. Slots are limited. Take action today.
Click the link below or drop interested in the comments to get started.
You can also send us a WhatsApp message, call our numbers, or visit any of our offices.
Data analysis is in high demand globally. Don't miss this opportunity.
Let's make 2025 your year of success.
Don't miss this opportunity.
Bye.